Webnode Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of the Webnode Website Builder. Webnode is a user-friendly platform designed for individuals, small businesses, and professionals seeking an easy way to create websites without coding. It offers a range of customizable templates for blogs, portfolios, e-commerce stores, and corporate sites, making it versatile for various needs. A standout feature is its multilingual support, allowing users to create websites in multiple languages, a rare offering in the website builder space. Webnode also provides a drag-and-drop editor, mobile responsive designs, and integration with third-party tools like Google Analytics. In terms of strengths, Webnode excels in simplicity and efficiency. The onboarding process is intuitive, allowing beginners to get started quickly. The platform's mobile-first approach ensures that your site looks great on any device. For e-commerce, Webnode includes essential features like product listings, inventory tracking, and payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. It also offers affordable pricing plans, making it a budget-friendly option for small businesses or freelancers. However, Webnode is not without weaknesses. Its customization options are somewhat limited compared to competitors like Wix or Squarespace. While templates are clean and professional, the lack of advanced design flexibility can be a drawback for those seeking complete creative control. Additionally, while the free plan is useful for testing, it comes with limitations like Webnode branding and restricted storage. SEO tools are also basic, which may not meet the needs of users focused on optimizing for search engines. In conclusion, Webnode is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a straightforward, multilingual website builder with essential features at an affordable price. It's ideal for beginners or small businesses with basic website needs, but advanced users or those requiring in-depth customization may find it limiting. If you prioritize ease of use and cost-effectiveness over extensive design control, Webnode could be the perfect solution for you.